It looks like it's like a sponge. Hi, and welcome to Traveling Marlins. We are going to show you a place called Rifle Falls, and it's a pretty neat place. It's pretty close to the KOA where we stayed, which was
about 17 miles away.
Yeah, 17 miles.
35-minute drive.
Yes, yes. And it's pretty much a hidden gem. It's a state park, and you're going to see 3 beautiful waterfalls and then some caves.
Semi-caves.
Semi-caves, not the kind of cavern caves that you're probably thinking about. And while we have you here, we'd like to ask you to subscribe, and thank you so much for the people who have already subscribed. Thank you a lot. We dearly appreciate you, and we love that we're growing a friendship with you as well. So just hit that subscribe button, and if you want notifications, hit the bell, and if you don't, then just hit none. You'll be fine.
Diesel's trying to walk off on us.
Yes, he is. He has taken his ball and he's gone north. So
he's going to the grass.
Yes. So anyway, enjoy. We are on our way to Rifle Falls, and evidently it's waterfalls. I don't think they're real big ones. They're just pretty. And there's also a cave there too. And I read that it said expect to get on your hands and knees and get dirty. So to wear jeans and bring a flashlight. We don't have a flashlight, but we have our cameras. Our phones. So we'll see if we can get into that. I'm not sure if we can because it rained a lot yesterday, and I don't know if, it'll be safe to go in the cave, but we'll see. We are, 6 miles away, and it's a windy, twisty road. Here we are.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh, let's turn you off.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fine.
Hi.
It's $10.
All right.
Thank you. Let me get your passage field.
And okay, we're here to see the falls.
Yes.
And then is there a cave too?
Yes, so would you like a map of the park?
Sure.
Yes.
It's on that inside flap there. So to see the falls itself, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Okay.
To go and see those caves, we've got the Coyote Trail. It's a little over a mile loop. And those caves are on the side of the waterfall. So I would recommend starting the loop on the right side of the waterfalls because there's a bunch of stairs on that left side, so it's easier to go down them than go up them.
Mountain Mist Amphitheater, Falls and Cave. Here we go. We are on our way. I hear a waterfall.
That's definitely a waterfall.
It feels nice and cool too. Rifle Falls is a geologic masterpiece. Rifle Falls State Park's beautiful scenery is a result of its interesting and unique geology. Neat. The rock formation is unreal. I've really never seen anything like this before. I would think it'd be kind of snaky too. As minerals coat the falls, caves are formed in the deposits.
Okay. We're at our first cave, Gail.
Is that a cave?
Does it look like a cave?
Not really.
I would say you're wrong, Batman. That's a cave. think you can really go up in it. I mean, it's big enough to get into.
Okay. Whoa. Fall down. This is neat. Is that wood?
No, it's rock.
Yeah, I guess it is rock. That's a dumb thing to say.
There's a cave, Gail. Go in there. Bear in there.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, Gail's going in.
I'm going in.
This could be dangerous. It could be the last I ever see of her.
It does smell funny in here.
Okay, let's leave the back.
I don't recognize the smell. Look at that.
Okay, you ready, Gail?
It's so cool. Okay, here we go. I just can't stop thinking about being, you know, like a settler or a, you know, tracker and coming upon all of this for the first time. It looks like it's like a sponge.
Oh.
But it's cool. Can you imagine seeing this when it's raining? Water coming from up there. This is why they're saying wear jeans and expect to get on your hands and knees in some places.
Because of the lions and tigers and bears.
Oh no! I see the bottom half of you.
You're just right below the top of this ridge line, and then you have all these caves.
Oh, this is so cool. The falls spill over a limestone rock face geologists think may have formed in the waters of a beaver dam. Over time, the standing water behind the dam formed thick limestone deposits that are now exposed as cliffs.
I'm going in, Gail.
Okay,
I'm going in.
hopefully you'll come out. Oh, he really did go in. Oh, I thought there was another turn.
And what are your impressions of this place?
This is highly recommended. It's really neat. You don't have to walk a long ways from the parking lot. And you see so much. I mean, look at the root system of that tree. It's really neat. Welcome to Bobcat Trail. I hear the falls again. Are you scared? He didn't hear me.
Are those bearberries?
You want to eat one and see if they're poisonous?
I wanted to know if it'd attract bears.
Oh, they might. Woo, this is kind of nerve-wracking.
Look the other way.
The geology of Rifle Falls is fascinating, with its 3 cascading waterfalls flowing over limestone cliffs that are estimated to be over 200 million years old.
Here's the other side of the bridge, and it's going over. Right up there by that dead branch. Here's the second bit of the falls coming down through here, down here, under the bridge, and that's where it goes over, right there. They were from Austin, Texas, I heard him say.
Yeah, I don't know how he knew I was from Texas.
Your voice.
But no, it couldn't be that. I see what the park ranger meant. She said, go into the caves on the right side of the waterfall because it's easier to go down the steps, like we're doing, than up these steps. Because these are pretty steep steps. It's almost like something that you would see in Avatar.
I've got the camera set up because I've been told all sorts of wild creatures come out of the bushes, and I just don't know what could appear. But they said if you wait about this time every day, one could, well, I think we've got one. It's coming out now. A wild creature. And that is what I have to deal with daily.
All right, Mark, what did you think about it?
It was worth the trip up here. I thought the caves may be a little bit bigger, but the biggest thing, you told me to wear jeans because that's what you read. I did not need jeans on.
No.
In fact, I was burning up.
Yeah. And we're here in July, and it's in the afternoon, so you may want to come in the morning. It might be a little better, but it was definitely worth the trip. From the RV park, it's only, let's see, I think it took 30 minutes. It's only, what, 17 miles? But because of all the twists in the road
Slow miles.
the miles per hour, it takes about 30 minutes, but it's worth it. It cost $10 for a car. They don't have any kind of a senior discount thing, but it was definitely worth it, and I would recommend it.
Yes, it was. If you're in this area, you should stop by and look at it. It's worth looking at.
It's really pretty. And this is going to sound geeky, but the waterfall and some angles of it made me feel like I was in Avatar.
That's pretty geeky.
It did. It made me think of Avatar, especially that ride that I did, the Avatar ride at Disney World. It was Avatar-ish. There's my new word. Avatar-ish. Well, that's it for this week.
And next week, this is my part, per her. Next week, we're going to show you in Glenwood Springs, there's 2 different cave systems up on the same mountain. It's called Glenwood Adventure Park. And there's the Fairy Cave System, and I think the Kings Row Cave System that were discovered early in the 1900s. And there's a roller coaster up there, and I'm not sure what you'd call it, but it'll swing you out over the cliff.
Oh, yeah.
So if you're into adrenaline pumping things, that's for you.
And I'm also going to share with you a really cool bike ride that goes through Glenwood Canyon. It's beautiful. So, have a great week.
And we'll see you next week.
See you next time. What's our slogan? Best day ever. Bye.
Bye.